Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Today is going to be my vlog of me going through the glucose test and just kind of like seeing if I have gestational diabetes or not. So I just pulled up, I have the glucose test at 9:30, which is in 4 minutes, and then I have my like appointment, for just pregnancy at 9:40. So I'm doing the glucose test and then having my appointment and then going back to get my blood drawn. So that is the plan right now. I'm gonna go ahead and get ready to go in, and yeah, hopefully nothing but good news today. That is the goal. I had 2 eggs scrambled this morning for breakfast with a small glass of milk, and that's just what I read online because it's not fasted. So I'm gonna go ahead and go over there now and get today's appointment started. I'm not gonna lie, it's actually really delicious. Like, I really like it. It's not bad at all. So it's been a couple of days now, and I did hear back. Really good news. I passed my glucose test. My score, I got a 114, and the range was 70 to 140. So I was just like super in the clear, which is great. Super happy about that. I just ran some errands, and I figured I'd do a little haul here for you guys. I am now almost 30 weeks. Getting plump, as you can see. It's weird because like I feel like not much has changed, but I also feel like a lot has changed. I don't know. Her movements are now like big rolls and like swooshes versus just like kicks or jabs. You okay? Okay? And so that's like difficult for me to adjust to because it's just like, whoa. I don't know, it's kind of intense. But anyway, I'll show you what I got from Designer Fashion Warehouse first. So I went there trying to get some good options for my hospital bag. Like I said, now that I'm 30 weeks, I'm like starting to think about that. I probably won't pack it until like 35 weeks, 34 weeks, but I was like, I probably should kind of just see if they have anything there. If you don't know, I don't know if it's in other states or not. It's in Columbus. We have a lot of name brand fashion brands headquartered here. I don't know why that took so long for me to say. And so there's a store called Designer Fashion Warehouse where like samples and overstock and passies and stuff all get sent, and it's like a really discounted price. And they do Target and stuff too. And one of the most common things I saw watching other people's hospital videos, hospital bag videos, was like a button-up nightgown, because I guess after you give birth, the gown that you wear, like the hospital gives you, is gross and stuff. So they say you're not gonna want to like sit around in that, and I realized that's actually a really good idea. But anyway, so I got one of these button-up gowns that's like the really super soft material, and it just has the buttons that go all the way down, which is great for one, breastfeeding. I don't know if I've mentioned that, but I am going to be breastfeeding, but also like I can button it all the way down. That way if I'm like hot and cold, I can kind of use it as a robe while laboring as well. And this was $2.99, and the one that I wanted at Target was $20, which I would have happily spent had I not found this for $2.99. So that's why I wanted to go and just check and see if they had any of the things that I was like planning on looking for my hospital bag, just to see if I could save some money. The next thing that I got was this bra. I have seen a lot of women say that the Soma brand is really good. I got this in an extra large. Right now I am fitting into a large comfortably, but I figured like once your milk comes in is when it gets really rough. And this is just one of those like really comfortable sports bra slash, I don't really know, and it does have the adjustable straps, and it's thick. Love this. I'm excited to try it on. This was $8.99. Then I got this a really cute little beanie. This was $2.99, just a plain little guy. And then the last two things are specifically for my hospital bag as well. I wanted to get an all black coming home outfit. That's another thing I saw a lot of women say is like, you're wearing, you know, like an adult diaper and you're bleeding out of everything, and you don't want to wear like, you know, light gray or tan or white, because if you leak or something, that's awkward. So this is the Target set, and each piece was $7.99. Let me make sure I'm not lying. The bottoms are $7.99 and the top was $7.99. Okay, yeah. So it's just the really cute, soft, it's the same exact material as the nightgown, maybe a little fuzzier. And then these are just drawstring joggers, and I got the bottoms in a medium and the top in a small. I didn't want to get the bottoms in a small too, because with my belly, I don't know how big I'm going to be leaving the hospital. I didn't want to get like a large or an extra large, because obviously I'm not going to be this pregnant, but I didn't feel comfortable getting a small, which is what I would usually get, just in case I'm still like relatively large. That would just be not ideal to be uncomfortable. And the last thing I got, this is the same material as that button-up nightgown, but this is a different brand. This is Ambrielle, which I've never heard of. I really don't like the pattern, but I really just enjoy how soft this robe is. And I know I'm probably gonna live in a robe slash be naked all the time once we come home from the hospital, just with breastfeeding and having the baby doing skin to skin. So not super cute, not really my style, but it serves its purpose. And this was originally $38 and I got it for $6. So if your city has a designer fashion warehouse, I don't know if they do, or if that's just an Ohio thing, check it out. I got so much good stuff for like 30 bucks. I'm so out of breath. That's like the worst part about the third trimester, is just talking is like rough. I then just got some like groceries. So I got veggie straws, which I'm about to open right now. I got tortilla chips. I got marshmallows for hot chocolate. I got hell of a good dip for the chips. Cheez-Its. Clearly I like just got snacks. The only things I actually went there for was corn tortillas, because we're gonna fry tortillas tonight, we're doing tacos, and refried beans, and I left with all this shit. And then I also got a taco seasoning mix, and then I got some pepperoni slices, and these chewy dips. I haven't had these since I was a kid. They're the ones that have like the peanut butter on the inside, But I remember when I was younger, these were amazing. And this was totally a craving moment. I walked past these and I was just like, damn, those look so good. And so I grabbed them. Watch, they're probably not gonna like meet what I remember, but I wanted to get them. Oh my God. For a second, I thought I got the puffed. And I was like, what the heck? But that's just the back. They're just regular Cheez-Its. Okay. Anyway, that's really all I have for today. Oh, I also got red raspberry leaf tea, which is insane that I am at this point already. I'm gonna start drinking this at 30 weeks exactly, which is in a couple days from now. And I'm gonna do just 1 cup a day in the morning to like replace my black tea that I drink every morning. But yeah, we're getting close, guys. I can't believe it. It's coming whether I want it to or not. I gotta do it. But anyway, yeah, that's all I have for you guys for this video. So give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And if you're not subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe and keep up to date with all of my baby content. And also feel free to check out my pregnancy playlist to see all of the pregnancy videos that I've done up until this point. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.